Hello everyone. Yesterday in the last video, I compared the 2019 exit poll results with 2019 Nifty price action. But last night, 2024 exit poll results were announced. So in this video, we are going to evaluate the situation, like what its impact on the Indian market, especially in Nifty. Just a bit of recap. In 2019, most opinion poll on an average under predicted, like for the NDA alliance, they might win around 300 to 330 seats kind of. For that, on the following Monday, Nifty opened 250 points gap up. In percentage wise, it was 2.2%. And overall, between Monday to Wednesday, before the election result day, Nifty increased near 2.9%. So please keep those numbers in the mind. We'll come back to it. 2.2% gap up and 2.9% Nifty increase as a result of exit poll in 2019. Now coming to the 2024 exit poll. If required, please pause and have a look. Except one, all others predicted NDA to win above 350 seats. And only one that predicted lower was Dainik Bhaskar. They gave the range between 281 to 350 seats. So lowest predicted value was 281 seats. And if I take the average of all, it comes around 360 seats. And on the higher side, News 24 predicted that NDA can win possibly even 415 seats as well. Here, last time the top two exit polls, India Today and News 24, those were the two news channels who predicted very closer to 2019 election results. And both of them were now predicting this time NDA might come close to 400 seats. So that's the exit poll. Whether it will happen or not, we will know only on June 4th. But for tomorrow, Indian stock market is going to react for it. I mean, as I said earlier, in 2019, on an average, the exit poll outcome was NDA to win 300 to 330 seats. That average now for the present in 2024, it has increased to 360. So it's a full majority. And now let's look at the Nifty related info. First, quick thing about FII. In May month alone in the cash market, the net sold for over 42,000 crore rupees. And in this year, so far, the net sold for 1.25 lakh crore rupees. I guess there are two reasons for it. One, uncertainty around election results. And two, Chinese market is better valued than Indian market with a recent reform announcement. Whereas in 2019, both Indian market and Chinese market was similarly valued. So at that time, it was only election uncertainty. I mean, here, though the PE ratio valuation is in favor of Nifty, at present, FIIs were seeing Chinese market as a better risk reward than Indian market. So only they are moving their fund from India. And this 350 plus seat projection is removing the election uncertainty, which is positive, but also it's just the continuation of the government. Meaning, continuation of policy that was in the last 10 years, no new. So for the short term, I don't think without series of policy announcement will bring back new FII money into the Indian market. Hope I'm not confusing. Anyway, moving on. For Monday, for tomorrow's price action. Will it be same like 2019? 2.2% gap up and 2.9% Nifty increase between exit poll and election result day. As I said yesterday, those 2.2% will roughly in the present day Nifty value is equal to 500 points and 2.9% increase is equal to 800 points. Will the same happen tomorrow? Maybe, but I don't think that much Nifty will increase. Let me tell you why. When a stock is trading at 10 rupees per share, it can easily increase or decrease 1 rupee per share, which equals to 10% increase or decrease. However, if the same stock trades 1000 rupees per share means for 10% increase or decrease, it has to move 100 rupees per share up or down, which is relatively very difficult. In 2019, Nifty was around 11,000 mark. So 2.2%, 250 points easily gap up opened. But now it's trading at 22,500, which is over double the value. So 500 points gap up and 800 points rally in one single day. I'm not saying it's not possible. It's very difficult. I mean, if required, please pause and have a look. The second and third column is the index long and short position details, whereas the fourth and fifth column is the stock long and short positions. First, let's analyze the FII data. At the end of Friday, FII got 86% index on the short position. For that, as a hedge, they went long 57% in individual stock future. Here, 86% short position in the index future is the massive amount, and also they hold 43% short position in stock future as well. Then coming to DII, they hold most of the Indian stocks. Because of that, in the stock future section, they hedged and holding 96% in short. Hence, the exit poll results didn't favor DII nor favored FII. It looks it's favoring the retail people. 69% of retail people holding index long position, whereas in the individual stock section, 93% holding long. Tomorrow, I think for sure nobody, neither DII nor FII, is going to add the fresh short position, but to some extent, for sure, both of them are going to do the short covering. In index future, FII expects to do the short cover, and in individual stock future, DII might do the short cover. However, here my worry is about the retail people, since usually we don't take the best financial decision. So, what if tomorrow all the retail people do the profit booking means? In that case, that will trim the Nifty's positive rally. So, tomorrow the rally strength is purely based on retail traders' money psychological behavior. If they didn't profit book means I'm expecting further furious rally. That's aside, this is what I'm thinking that's going to happen tomorrow. I'm expecting Nifty to retrace the last week downfall. Meaning last week biggest single day down, Thursday 220 points. So tomorrow morning I'm expecting around 220 points gap up. And in the last whole week Nifty was down 1.9% or 430 points. So at the end of tomorrow I expected to retrace those points, increase of around 400 to 500 points. Again, if the retail traders profit booking is severe, then that will trim the rally, whereas FII and DII, they only short cover, they got nothing to profit book. Just a disclaimer, it's a pure speculation and my theory. I can be completely wrong. Please don't make any investment decision based on this. I like to highlight one more thing. Now the exit poll is completed. Then on the election day, the base neutral case scenario for the market, I think it will be BJP party alone winning about 290 seats and NDA together winning 330 seats. And bullish scenario will be if BJP party alone winning above 310 seats and NDA together winning above 350 seats. On the other side, the market bearish case scenario will be if BJP failed to cross the absolute majority and forming the government with the help of NDA altogether. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this, as I'm not a SEBI ratio advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.